Ramon have never owned a house. They live in Jersey City, New Jersey. For 21 years, they've been renting.
In the city, it's really busy, loud. There's millions of people on top of each other. We're really looking for just a different pace of life.
This will be like they're moving to a new planet. What adventurers!
They're wanting to spend $185,000.
I like a little more traditional, where Ramon is more streamlined, a little more mid-century modern.
They want some land so they can have a little garden, a big kitchen, big bathroom with separate tub and shower. They want to get a dog. They want the country life.
It's only up from Jersey City.
All right, welcome to the Walker house.
Wow, I like this.
Yeah, it's amazing. I like it.
It's a big lot. Mabel and Dexter Walker were the first people to live here. They lived here for 35 years, and he was a telegraph operator for the GM&O Railroad. 1,700 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's listed for $55,000.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
I've reimagined what I would want it to look like for you.
For you guys.
Okay, you ready?
To see?
Okay, here's what I'm thinking.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. Yes.
That is
I
my color.
love the color.
You captured it.
Yeah.
This is exactly.
You really did.
Okay, well, so for the trim color, it's a really deep ecru, not a white, and then chartreuse on the door, and the color of the house would actually be so dark. It would be a very dark teal. New front door, new handrails, a new roof. The roof is not in great shape. You can look at it and tell.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
You said you like teal.
Well, I like teal.
And
know that
chartreuse.
A different shade of teal.
You don't like an accent?
It's a little bright. Floors are beautiful.
They're in really good shape. We would like to refinish them.
Oh, wow. Very small.
Bigger
Yeah.
than our kitchen at home,
Is it?
but maybe a little
Yeah,
bit.
a little bit.
I like this. This is.
Who's your
I
cabinet?
love,
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It's a
My
cool
mother
piece.
had one like that.
Yeah.
Okay, I have an idea, but it's kind of crazy. We gut the kitchen, that becomes a dining room,
All right.
and this becomes the kitchen.
So it's a big open. I like
Yes.
that.
Oh, wow.
Great
yeah,
idea.
yeah. That's a
Yeah?
great idea.
This is a terrible little tiny bathroom.
Yeah.
Watch your heads.
It's tiny.
It's a little small.
It is. That bathroom's dead to us.
They may want to keep that bathroom. It works.
No.
Scariest bathroom ever. I think this would be perfect as a bathroom. We have another house we want to show you. It'll be tomorrow.
All right.
So we got the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the Breland house.
Oh, wow.
What do you think?
I like this.
Great, yeah.
Greg and Ruth Breland bought the house in 1968. It is still in their family. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2,500 square feet, and they're asking $85,000 for it.
The house itself we thought would be great for you because it has some distinctly Southern characteristics that are probably a little different from what you'd see in Jersey.
It's great.
I like the front porch. I'm a little unsure about the ironwork. I don't know.
Okay, well, I hope I can help with that. Here's what we're thinking.
Oh, wow.
What do you think?
Love the color.
Yeah,
Yeah.
great. Yes.
Green's my
I
color.
know green's your color.
Yeah.
The ironwork feels like a lot right
Yeah.
now. If we remove these really ornamental flourishes in the corners and paint out all the ironwork black so that it recedes a little bit, I think it would be better.
Basically, just make it more y'all.
Could you like it, you think?
Oh, yeah.
I think it's great. Yeah, of course. I mean, it's beautiful. The colors, I mean, right now, it looks kind of shabby, but this looks amazing, the color.
Isn't this a great living room?
Love the fireplace.
I am crazy about this fireplace.
Is there hardwood under there?
There is.
Yes, there is.
To make this a kitchen that you would really love, everything has to go. If we lose this door and all these cabinets, we can make this a window and put your oven and hood vent here on the center of the wall.
Okay.
And then all new cabinetry on this side, build in the refrigerator, new run of cabinets all along that wall so we could get the sink centered on those windows. And then removing this island and opening up that wall to the dining room so it's a big cased opening. And then you could have a big island. What do you think?
I like how big this kitchen is, much bigger than the other house.
It would be really big. It's hard to see that right now.
So you've been talking about houses. You've been here for a few days.
Yeah.
Yes.
Probably a lot.
A lot.
So have you chosen?
We have chosen.
Yeah?
Yes.
Let's do a
Okay.
countdown.
Okay.
Y'all say it at the same time. 1, 2, 3.
The Walker
Breland.
House.
Y'all.
Gotcha.
Have y'all really not decided?
No.
No,
We
we decided.
the Walker House.
The Walker House.
The
yeah.
Walker House, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is wonderful. For the next few houses, I am out on any kind of heavy labor.
You're out on labor until after labor.
Yeah, this is a weird thing, and I don't know why, and the same thing happened with Helen. When I'm super pregnant, my belly just doesn't stick out.
You sure you're pregnant? You didn't just eat a couple of chili dogs at lunch?
It was burritos. So before we leave today, we're gonna have the kitchen gutted, the wall open between the dining room and the living room, the wall open between the hallway and the dining room, and then we're taking the nasty tiny little bathroom completely out and the little bedroom that is becoming a huge bathroom.
First off, the kitchen is enormous. Having the hallway added to it, big kitchen. Roof's going on today, so that's one more step.
Yes, I'm so excited about that. I am such a dweeb about roofing. I think that a roof changes everything for a house.
A lot of houses, you put a new roof on them.
They would look like 50% better. The big transformation is happening to the outside of the house. It's getting painted, and so everything about the feeling and the mood and the style of it changes today. Oh yeah, this is great. And this is what I really love. You can see where it's dried in that little section.
I know, I was just thinking that because it's like a little bright, but then you see the dry and you're like, all right.
No, once it dries, it's gonna be so good. Like, John and Ramon's personalities are a little bit opposite in the colors that they love, except how much they love a dark, deep teal. I didn't want it to be too expected with like white trim. So then our ecru trim and a chartreuse green front door. It seems maybe a little eclectic, but that's the intent.
So when they paint the front door, I don't need to text you and freak out and say, are you sure this is the right color?
Bingo.
Did you mean
for this
do
door
this?
to be this color? Yes. This is exciting. I want everything about this house to feel traveled, eclectic, eccentric, a little bit glamorous, and unexpected in every way. Sheetrock has happened on the inside. Nothing's been painted. We're not getting close to like true finishing work, but the layout of the rooms, it's all there. So you can see how this house is gonna feel spatially when you walk through. The countertops are here. These countertops are all for Ramon. He wants a white kitchen. I'm not giving him a white kitchen, but
You're giving him white trim.
I'm giving him
Remember
moments. I'm giving him moments of white.
that. Countertop, it's always great because you can see the finished kitchen now. You see the colors, you see the countertops.
We're always missing cabinet doors at this point, though, but
Do you really?
use your imagination.
The wood floors, I think, are going to be the sleeper for John and Ramon because they're not used to that. They're used to living in apartments, and they're going to come in and be like, oh my gosh, look at these floors.
I think a lot of people have that reaction. You don't think about the floors as the thing you love about the house you've bought until you come back and see them restored. This is just going to be an entirely new lifestyle for them in every way.
Welcome to the Rapley Ruiz house.
Oh, wow. This is
God.
amazing.
That is incredible.
It's gorgeous.
It is so beautiful.
I love the color.
Yeah?
Can you believe
Yes.
it? This is amazing.
This is beautiful. It looks like a total different house.
I can't get over it.
Oh, wow. This is incredible. I love the fireplace.
It doesn't even look like the same place. Oh my God, it's so cozy. Look at my
Amazing.
painting.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
your new work.
This does not
yeah,
even look
no.
like the same
I
space.
love the backsplash and the island. Look at
Oh,
the veins. and
Wow.
This is amazing.
I'm
I
overwhelmed.
love this.
Look at this.
You have enough space?
I have
It is
plenty of
huge.
space.
This is
Yes.
exactly.
We have a sitting area right here. Look at this.
Wow.
Where you can
I
have,
really
your,
like the little sitting area.
where you can have
Yeah.
your coffee in the morning.
I know. I love this by the window.
This is such a transformation.
Yeah, I love this.
I love the warmth
Yeah.
of the wood. Has so much character.